Yes! Awa na, awa na, awa na, awa na. Awa na, really. Ito si Chem. Ito si Chem, oh.
Hi, Chem.
Hi! Hi! Ito si Chem. May anggulo mo. Hi! Hi, Mickey. Mahal ka ba daw ni Rochelle?
Cancel natin.
Wag! Woo! Ano maano?
Ano ba yan? Tell me when you want it. I really, really want. Tell me. Tama kaya, tama na, tama na.
Very delicious. To the left, to the left.
To the right, to the right. Everything you want in the box, to the left. To the left, to the left.
To the left. Woo!
Everything you want in the box, to the left.
Mahams.
Mahams.
Mahams, mahams, mahams.
Okay na siya.
I love you daw, sabi ni Ate Charlie.
Pakanta ko.
Ate Charlie. Kailan ba naging ate si Charlie?
Ito kakanta. Ooh!
Lagot to.
Kami yung mag-aano.
How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you know? I tried to run from your side, but each place it only reminds me of you.
Ganda eh, no?
Tawag ba to? Asboy?
Hello?
Ketty?
Hello? 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 Ash boy? I don't know what it is that you done to me, but it causing me act in such a crazy ways. Ooh, whatever it is that you do when you do what you're doing, is it feeling that I don't understand? Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when the only cure is you. Get so weak on the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose on control, and something takes over me in a daze. It looks so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me by my side. Swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet. It knocks me right off from my feet. I can't explain why your love will makes me weak.
Time after time after time I've tried to fight it.
Tangina kayo kumakanta, kaya inanon nyo.
Your love is strong, it keeps on holding on.
Kanta kayo sinama niyo.
It's down when you're around. Like fading in my condition. I don't want to be alone. As my heart starts beating triple times with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure it out just what to do when the only cure is you. You. I get so weak in the knees, can hardly speak. I lose all control. Then something takes over me in a daze. Your love so amazing. It's not a face. I want you to stay with me by my side. Swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet. It knocks me right off from my feet.
Can't explain why your love will makes me weak. Uy, tama na.